Hey guys, it's me, Volcano100 here. I got the epic plushie for my rare war in hand, some other things, and I got Randy Poop, and yeah. And I got some little bit money. Sorry, this episode's going a little slow right now. I don't know why. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness, you're lucky. Did I just restart? That's just crazy. My friend, me and my friend, the girl that I was gonna tell you that for Mondays, she might. I don't think I should deal with her because totally she doesn't want to show her face. I'm like, you know how like other girls be, they want to show their faces. I'm just like, why do you want to show your faces? If you go to public and go to school, then you go take a video. Come on, guys. Oh my goodness. Blue hedges. I need a blue hedges. What the heck? What for blue hair hedges? I bought a lot of hairs today, guys. I'm sorry I have been uploading. Oh my goodness. What for blue hedges? Guys, I'm interested of the freaking blue hedges. I want to have blue hedges so badly. Awesome is. I always wanted a blue hedges. Come on, look at the blue hedges. I don't. What the heck? Well, I had the penguin epic plushie, but you know. So I bought some things. I got some things like for yesterday. I forget. I'm gonna do this. And yeah, I traded that reindeer poop for something. I took my pet out. I don't know why. Got reindeer poop, monkey, nesting Lisa doll, sack of books, pets camping, and they're both pools, best dressed, third birthday cake, and I got more things. Got that diamond, and so I got some things. I bought some things. I traded some things. I traded the heart rocket lollipop. I bought that. Traded raccoon. Traded that. Bought that. You know, things, cool things, right? Anyways, guys, I made my other raccoon, and I bought a freaking little panda that is so awesome. Wait, sometimes I just can't really type in here. I'm not good at typing in this one because I don't type here fast because some words you can't put, and I'm not using that. Hooker, hood, hoodie. Look, this is so awesome. It's new. Look. Boom, boom, boom. You don't have to touch that, but you can do it. Boom, boom, boom. It does the same thing over and over. It's so cute. Alex is OPS if you're watching this. About the video, a little special. We got things to do. Today, I cannot do this because I have so many homework to do. Oh, goodness. It's too much. So, I can't do it. So, another day. Maybe Friday if you can, because my membership is almost leaving. I must have like right now 34 days. But Friday I'm going with my mom to I'm going to my mom to Walmart to buy the membership card, so when it goes it says we're gonna redeem it, and then I'm gonna press, I'm like, yeah, let me member again. Yeah. And I saw you on annual journal with you, Alex's OPS. So yeah. And guys, it's sad, you know why? Because the girl I was talking about, she plays this other game, and she doesn't really be on it. And I don't think you should add her now because I don't think we're gonna do it. So maybe if my cousin gets a laptop or something, I'm gonna do videos. I gotta think who I should do videos with. If any of you people wanna have fun with me, you can call me on YouTube or Google. I'll do the video with you and let you talk with other people. And we could do mail time and yeah. Subscribe me and yeah. And Alex is for PS. I know. Yeah, jokes. Okay, so. Oh my goodness! Ah! Excuse me, I almost burped. Dare you run away from me? You have to bring a safe place. Okay. I get tongue tied. Yes! Going to blow. Blast. Going to be blast. Poops. Stinks. To blast. It stinks. It stinks. 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 I'm being bored and I'm going like kicking. Oh, cool star. Look at this. Don't. This is fine. The reason I told you to report him because I was mad at him. Just don't report him, please. It's like, okay, guys, I'm going crazy right now. And I gotta do homework. I got to do a freaking big paragraph of a story. A story? A freaking story. A story. A story. I don't know why this is kind of getting slow. Anyways. Anything for you. Yeah, she's not gonna want it. Tell a story. Tell a story. I'm not gonna tell you a story. Are you kidding me? I'll be right back. Got it. I traded it. Why would I trade you? Why would I wear that? I don't want to wear that. Shoot. Nope. 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 Sorry. Nope. Nope. Sorry. Guys, the reason I'm trying to run away because then they're gonna think wrong and then they're gonna be reporting and I'm like, gosh, what is wrong with you? Gosh. Oh yeah, I remember. Shift. Oh no. Oh no. How can you make the faces? Like, what the heck? How can you make the faces? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1. I can't write 1. 2. I can't write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9. I got. I can't write nothing. Like, what the heck? Like, what? I could say fish fast. I could say house. I say box. House. I can't say it. I can't. Head. I said it. These are people's. Like, I'm allowed. like, yeah, look at your eyes. You could go. Oh, dang, what? What? Ah, used to be friends. Okay, so I'm gonna be hiding here, and I'm like, could act like I'm moving. Go to your den. I'm like, go to your den. Dare me? Okay, okay, go to your den. I'm waiting for ya. Okay, go to your den right. I got egg. What? I can't say door with that. Door. I don't like door. Okay. Okay, so now somewhere that he cannot see me at all. Okay, guys, so he has pretty things, but goodbye, little boy. Ah, he's there. He's there. You better not see me. He doesn't see me? Like, I'm right there. No, you can't see me. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. How did he find me? Oh, shoot. Now he's attacking. XD. I'm like, oh. He doesn't even know. I can't breathe. Como estás? ¿Cómo está? He said, come here. You have something. ¿Cómo está? Te amo. Hey. Yes. Yes. Indeed. I'm being crazy. I got you a kiss. You dare me? What are you doing? Okay, this is the girl that she's always into my when we used to, you know, be friends and stuff. And then like I got you a little note. Okay, okay, okay. Like she's so I knew it. Okay guys, I'm recording right now, I'm saying what I would say. Yeah. You saw. Okay, so why is she crying? Yeah, you saw. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness, I just like be right back, guys. I say go, guys. I must be going because the time is almost over. So, alright. Oh, that was hard. Anyways, bye.